Hello, this is Rando York, and here is a mystery parcel, one which I've never received before. It is quite heavy, and let's open it up. Turns out to be a very stable suitcase. I have not seen keys. This allows me to open it, and it's a photo box. So what's inside? I've put everything in my layout. This is an N-gauge small wagon. This is a Minitrix N-gauge banana wagon. What's that? It's a little German police car. Seems to be motorized. Here a little short double gauge carriage, and then here an N-gauge carriage. Looks like an Igor Matrix again, and then here 1, 2, 3, 4 Graham Farish Pullman coaches. Nice. Put them on the N-gauge track, and here this is a bit over proportional. This is a Lima N-gauge track, and oh, this little guy here, this brake van has a roof which has come off and was put on the wrong way around. Let's put it together the right way, and on an N-gauge track. What's next? Another very short coach, 4-wheel coach. And here, this is from the couplings, looks like it's a Z cage. Indeed, it's a Märklin. So let's put it on the smallest track. This is a Minitrix by the looks of it. And this looks like a Graham Farish. It's probably a Hornby. It seems the tender is missing, otherwise it looks alright. Let's put it on the low track. Oh, here's the tender as well. Well, that's reassuring. And what's this? Oh dear, seems like a spider has put her nest in there. Let's gently remove it. I'm not afraid of spiders, but don't like it particularly. Here we have a beautiful shunter, double H gauge, also Hornby. This looks like a Lima N-gauge coal carriage. This is a blue battleship from Graham Farish. I wonder whether it's working. Looks very immaculate. Apart, oops, one of the side rods has come off. I will have to address this. And here another Z gauge from Märklin. Put it on the inner circle. This is a German steam locomotive. German railways always with the red bottom and the black top, so that's how we recognize them. It's an Arnold. Looks rather ancient, or let's say vintage, and when you look at the wheels, they have clearly suffered over the years. They can probably not be used anymore and need to be replaced. What's this? The Smoky Joe. Here we got the Hornby Smoky Joe. Nice, fun engine. Haven't had one of these before. Looks pretty well maintained. All buffers and everything's there. Then that's another N-gauge. This is either a Minitrix or it's a Graham Farish. I think it's a Graham Farish. It's not the Minitrix. Minitrix didn't make this number as far as I know. Also, this one looks pristine from the outside. Oh, and the second one of this Prairie Tank engine. Nice. So let's see where they're working. No, this Hornby doesn't budge at all. Oh dear. Let's see whether increasing the voltage will change. No, I can't see anything happening here. That's disappointing. Well, I'm sure I'll find out what the problem is. let's try Big Boy, Smoky Joe. Some life in it. Yeah, here she comes. Yeah. Ah, fantastic. So that's good. So this locomotive is running. Clearly needs a bit of TLC and maybe needs to run in because it's not very satisfying what I see here. Oh, and here we've got an accident. Oh, railroad accident. Oh dear. Yeah. So let's see where she manages to turn around. Yes, full circle now. That's pretty satisfying. It's like at the shunter. There's also some life in the shunter, but it's in a worse state than the previous one. Yeah, it's moving a little bit. Probably just has been sitting in a cupboard for 1 or 2 decades, and therefore it's just not working. It needs a bit of lubrication, a bit of oil cleaning. Maybe there's a spider hiding in it somewhere and jamming the gears. I don't know. Yeah, but she wants to. Yeah, here we go. Beautiful. Finally. Okay, next. So let's test the N gauge trains. So there's not much happening here. The Grey Ford doesn't seem to move on the tracks. Come on, Flying Scotsman. Come on. What's happening here? No, nothing. Okay, then the Arnold moves the broken wheels. There is life in the engine, I can tell, but it's not working at all. It's not moving. Anyways, she wouldn't move really. The Merchant Navy in blue, I'm not testing it because the side rod is broken. Now let's take the 2 short Grey Fords. See how they perform. There's a bit of life in it, but not much. This last one doesn't seem to be working either. Anyhow, this is quite a unusual job lot which I got here. It contains double O, N and Z gauge, and leaves me with a lot of fun restoring these locomotives. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed the unpacking of this box or suitcase, and thanks for watching.